Ready to ditch the email chaos and finally wrangle your team into a collaboration powerhouse? Let's dive straight into creating a dedicated team space on Basecamp. Click the plus sign or the new button, typically found at the top of your Basecamp dashboard, to initiate a new project or team. Select the option that says something like Create a New Team. This will get you to the next step. First things first, give your team a name that's both descriptive and easy to remember. This is how everyone will identify the space. Now, it's time to invite your teammates. Simply type their names or email addresses into the designated field, and Basecamp will send them invitations. Understanding permissions is key. Decide who needs admin privileges to manage the team, and who should have standard access. You can adjust these settings at any time. Organize your team's communication by setting up dedicated channels for different purposes, like project updates, discussions, and announcements. This keeps everything neatly organized and prevents information overload.